Hi, in this video I will show you how to download Figma for Windows. Open your browser and search for Download Figma. Click this Figma www.figma.com Figma Downloads. In here, we can download Figma for desktop, mobile, and we can also download Figma font installer. Click on Desktop app for Windows, and automatically it will download the installer. Once it was done, click on the icon up right here and click on Open and click Run, and it will be installed into your computer. Log in to Figma. After successful login and setting up your account, Figma will make you choose your plan in here. For now, we'll choose this free plan and click in this Get Started on my own. And now we are on the main page of Figma. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!